Hey guys, Austin here with Volt Life Proof Grooming. Today I wanted to give you guys maybe an inside look into my personal grooming routine using my pretty comprehensive array of Volt grooming products. I'll be going step by step and showing you the product itself as well as why I personally use it, or give you some alternative suggestions for products depending on what you are looking for maintaining your hair, maintaining your beard, and even maintaining the health of your skin as well. But we'll get into it. So let's start with the hair. So first things first, early in the morning when I get out of the shower and I'm done shampooing and conditioning my hair and all that, what I like to do is wait till the hair is just barely damp and then use some of this right here. This is Volt Surf Salt Spray. You can apply it to dry hair or damp hair. I prefer damp because it helps it spread throughout the hair a bit more evenly. All you need to do is give your hair a few sprays, style it the way you like, maybe mess it around a little bit, and then let it dry. The surf salt's gonna help give your hair volume and body, as well as a light hold so that however you style your hair is going to stay that way. If you're looking for a natural kind of beach hair, sun kiss kind of effect, then surf salt spray is really the only way to go to get it looking the most natural, because it is literally salt, water, and a few other things like cucumber extract that help keep your hair hydrated and healthy to kind of guard against the drying effects of salt alone. So once I get the hair on my head looking and feeling good, now it's time to focus on the hair on my face. And I've got a few products to mention. You can see here just kind of how messed up and dry sounding my beard is. What I like to do is give my beard a quick exfoliation using the Volt Octo brush, which is literally just a wooden pear handle brush with some natural boar bristles on the underside. These bristles are perfectly stiff, meaning that they're gonna dig through the beard and exfoliate the skin underneath, but not so stiff that they scratch you up a bit. Time to prep the beard, meaning cleaning it. After all, you don't style your hair before you get in the shower and use shampoo, right? You do it afterwards. So we're gonna use some of Volt's beard wash, which is a very gentle wash, which is good for your beard and your face, which are more sensitive to oils, and this wash is not going to be as harmful or drying as something like a shampoo would be. Once you get rid of all those old oils, you can reintroduce them with something like beard balm or beard oil. Moving on, I'm going to take a bit of my favorite beard product, which is beard balm, scraping on a little bit, rubbing around my hands to melt it down, and applying it directly to my beard, making sure to get underneath all the hairs as thoroughly as I possibly can. The reason I like beard balm over beard oil is that even though oil is great, it doesn't provide the styling benefit that beard balm does. So if you have maybe a medium length beard, something longer than just stubble or a short length beard, beard balm really helps lay the hair down, keep everything styled and straight, looking good. Beard oil is great if you need something quick on the go for some quick hydration, or if your beard is feeling scratchy, dry, or maybe you're even suffering from beard flakes or itchiness. So whichever one you're looking for will depend on if you prefer the style or if you prefer the hydration. After applying that beard balm, what I like to do is to reintroduce that boar bristle brush, which will help spread that balm throughout the beard evenly. Once my beard's looking good, it's time to get rid of all the hairs I don't want anymore, which means shaving time. So the reason I prefer Volt Clear Shave is actually an interesting thing. My beard hairs go crazy underneath here, and getting the perfect kind of clean neckline is really difficult for me, making sure it's even on either side. Using a clear shaving gel as opposed to something like a foam means that I can see directly where I'm shaving in real time. I'm not having to scrape away foam to try and see that, which means I can get the perfect line every single time because I can see that line. This just makes it even easier for me to get a really, really good, really solid shave in no time flat, because I'm not having to reshave the areas depending on what I'm seeing and what I'm not seeing. If you guys are anything like me and you enjoy kind of a classical shaving experience as shown by the razor I decide to use, then you probably also use aftershave. Volt has an aftershave that is a very soothing aftershave because it is mixed with menthol, which actually is a skin soother and provides a really cool, interesting kind of cooling effect that not only satisfies the aftershave experience, but is also combined with the alcohol in aftershave, which sanitizes the area that you just cut, and it gives you that satisfying kind of burn feeling that aftershave often gives. So all in all, my friends, this is how I stay clean cut, stay presentable, and have a very cohesive way to do it, because all these Volt products are all available all the time. And to be fair, if you're like me and you enjoy the aesthetics of things, they all go well with each other because they're all packaged in eco-friendly aluminum bottles, minimal plastic here. which means they'll last forever, and you can get these big refill packs and refill the bottles a whole bunch at a discounted cost if you wanted to save some money down the road as well. Ultimately, everything just works out well for the environment, for your wallet, and for your look. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this little breakdown of my everyday grooming routine, and hopefully I gave you guys a cool look into these interesting products that Volt has for you guys. If you enjoyed this video and you enjoy seeing the before and after transformation about the beard, please hit like and subscribe. You don't want to miss any of the other cool videos that I and a bunch of other creators are doing for this channel. Because we enjoy these products and because Volt has new stuff and interesting stuff coming out all the time. For example, different fragrances that you can get in the beard balm. My favorite that I showed you guys today was the Buffalo Chip fragrance, which is leather and charcoal, which is just my kind of thing. But they've got tons of other stuff. They've got Everest, which is like wintergreen pine trees. They've got Costa, which is like a coffee and lime scent, which you wouldn't think works as well as it does. And a lot of other interesting stuff that'll fit any of your preferences out there. So join the channel, join the community. We'd love to hear from you guys as well. If you have any comments for us, even questions that we can make future videos about any of these products or any kind of men's grooming advice or style tips or anything, leave those in the comment section below. And once again, thank you guys for watching.